At this point, I'm thinking if I should change my mind. Let's go make my hair. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. So this is a maintenance vlog, and I'm starting this vlog in the kitchen because I'm hungry and my mom is hungry as well. But my mom is making my hair, nothing too serious, just knotless braid, but it is long and look at the color. I'm loving it. When I saw the color yesterday, I was skeptical, like, will this be fine? But I'm loving the color now, and this is like quarter, not even halfway through. And I'm tired, I want to sleep. I don't know why I've been lazy to make my hair these days. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. So guys, there's a break in transmission. I need to eat. I'm really hungry, and I'm tired of making this hair. What's the time still? I don't know what the time is. So I'm tired already, and I'm not even halfway through. And I want to make my nails, as this is a maintenance vlog. So let's just do everything together. And I make my nails myself. So I think I'm going to carry you guys along. But I don't think I can make it today again. So maybe it will be tomorrow. My friends, not my friends, we're all single. Most of my friends are going out. And this is Ruth Benson on Valentine's Day making her hair. No plans whatsoever. But there's no crime in being single, okay? So I need to eat. This is how I'm spending my Valentine's Day. I need to eat, and I'll see you guys later. Hi. Hi, people of God. Hi, guys. Welcome back. I know I look crazy, but then you guys, I was not able to finish my hair. Tell me why every time I decide to make my hair, my mom will always be busy in the shop. So I started my hair like past 12 yesterday. And I think I updated you guys when I wanted to eat. And as soon as I finished eating, someone else came to make their hair, and someone else came to make her hair. I don't know. My mom is watching something. It's really loud. If I start now, she'll start with me. So let me just leave her. And I hope you guys can hear me. So by the time I finished eating my food yesterday, someone else came to make her hair. And then we took a break because we needed to attend to the customer. Since I'm not the customer that is bringing money, they decided to leave my hair. So I think we started like past 6 again. Like past 6 years. So I think we finished. We finished the braids, but like we did not finish the ends. You guys, this hair is long, and I did not know that it was this long. I knew it was long, but for it to be this long, and the weather is really hot, I think I'm looking for trouble. See, it's long. I think I'm looking for trouble because there is heat. Like, the weather is hot. But the good thing about long hair, when the weather is hot, just wrap it up. Unlike when you do short hair, that's what people don't know. When you do short hair, like this, for you to pack it up is a problem, but long hair is better. So I think I want to finish the ends of this hair, and like I told you guys, I want to make my nails. But I don't know when I'll make the nails because I've been really lazy, you guys. So I don't know when I'll. Let me show you the color of the attachments like up close. Let me get the one that is remaining. And I think I used one big attachment, one big one and one small one. That's Lush color 613. You already know I like 613. Color 613 and color 30. So I mixed the two together to get this color. I actually wanted black. Well, Like this year, I'm doing things that I don't do before. So I'm daring myself to try out new things. And I hope the color suits me. I think I like it. But when I picked out the attachment the day before yesterday, I was skeptical. I think I told you guys about it. Even when they started the year, I was still thinking, am I making a bad decision with this type of, with this color of attachment? But I think I'm loving it now, and I think I'll love it even more when I finish the ends and put it in hot water and all that. And if you know me, you know I like full hair. I don't like scam hair. I like full hair that when you pack it on, like bring out your face. And I think I love it. So let me get the attachments for you and I'll be right back. Okay. So this is what the attachment is looking like. I hope you can see it. Yeah, the two colors. So this is what it is looking like, and I think I love it. I think so. I did not properly welcome you guys to the channel. Hi loves, welcome to the channel, welcome to another vlog, welcome to a maintenance vlog. And if you are seeing this face for the first time, welcome. My name is Ruth Benson. Thank you for clicking on this video, and forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. So I'll see you guys later, probably when I'm finishing the ends of the hair or when I'm making my nails. I just ate bread and tea this morning. Let's see you guys later. Bye guys. Oh my god. See you guys, natural light is the best.
You know I love you, and I know you love me. So why keep you?
Hi! As you can see, I'm done with my hair. So I just thought to come up here and show you guys what my hair is looking like. Let me put you guys down and show you what my hair is looking like. So this hair, the plan was just a normal braid without coils and anything or whatever. So when I finished the end, I'm like, okay, let's add coils, but I don't want the coils to be tight that the hair will now be shorter. So we ended up with these coils, and I love it so much. I love the hair so much, and it's long. The hair is long, and I love the color. I love it so much. Oh my god, I like how long it is. So this is what my hair is looking like. And after my hair, this maintenance vlog, I'm supposed to make my nails. Well, I'm making my mom's nails right now. Most people don't know. Most people know that I can make hair, I can make up, and most people don't know that I make nails. It's just a once in a while thing, or like I like making my nails myself. It's not easy, but I like making it myself. And I want to make my nails, and I think I'm going to do my lashes. Like this year, I'm about to look good every time. So after my nails, I'm going to make my lashes. I'm here. What happened? So I'm to make my nails and my lashes, and I'll carry it. Okay, I need to talk to my dad right now, and I'll see you.
Next time I will do that.
So there was a break in transmission. What was I saying? I don't know who does what's the called, lash extension here around here. I don't know. I don't know what to do about the lashes yet, but let's see. I'm going to do my nails and see you guys whenever, because it's currently I think 10 o'clock. I think it's 10 o'clock, and I'll carry you guys along when I'm making my nails, hopefully. And then I'll update you guys about the lashes. And after that, I think that'll be all for the vlog. But let's see how it goes, and I'll see you guys later.
To both of us, you know you're mine. You got me so bad, wrapped around your finger. I've still got your taste in my mouth, baby.
Not me doing my nails in stages. When I'm tired, I'll pause and go and rest, because it's not easy to do your nails yourself. But I already applied the acrylic. I just need to file it and then design it. And let me show you guys what it's looking like right now. It's very rough because I've not filed it yet, but let me show you. So this is what it's looking like, and yeah.
You left me high.
Hi guys, and I am done with my nails. So let me show you guys. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I did not want to do anything simple, and I think I tried. For me to do this by myself, I'm so proud. And I painted my toes as well. So I want to fix my lashes, but before that I want to use scrub. That's the only thing I use for skincare, scrub. Can you imagine? So I'm going to use my facial scrub. I'll show you guys when I'm doing that, and then I'll take my bath and fix my lashes. After my lashes, what else needs to be done? Let me show you what my nails looks like. I'm coming. So this is what my nails looks like. I still have stains of like black and white over here because I painted my toes white, so I still have stains here. So when I take my bath, it would be clear. So this is what my nails is looking like. I'm so happy that it came out well. I saw these nails on my friend and I decided to that I did it myself. I'm so proud. And it was my mom that said I should try to do something different than like the white tips and all. I'll put a picture of what I did before I did this. I'll put a picture on the screen. So she wanted me to do something different, and I was skeptical, like, what should I do? Then I remembered my friend snapped her nails and I saw it and I liked it, so I decided to try it out. And for the first trial, this is really nice. I love it so much. So I have my scrub here, this tea tree facial scrub. Honestly, this scrub is not mine, it's for my mom, but anything that is hers is mine. So I want to pack my hair up because so much for maintenance vlog. This vlog is scattered, but manage it like that. I need help. I'll be right back. Okay, so I did not want to pack the hair tight because of headache, so I just put the rubber band once. So I'm not a skincare girl, so I don't wanna. In case I'm looking over to this side, the mirror is over there. I honestly don't know how I'm going to remove this top. You guys, my neighbor's house almost caught fire this afternoon. when I was making my nails. It was so scary. It caught fire self. Which one is almost caught fire? But like the fire was much because like it burnt his face. And he's still at the hospital. I hope he gets better soon. It was so scary looking at that kind of fire. I think I look so crazy right now. What was I even saying before? I'm gonna take my bath and I'll see you guys when I want to fix my lashes. What am I saying? I'll see you guys when I want to fix my lashes. Guys, I love my hair. I'm done taking my bath or having my bath. Anyone that is correct at this point. You guys, I'm super hungry. So hungry, but I want to show you guys the lashes I want to show you guys the lashes I'll be putting. It's from this lash tray, and the lashes is from Van Beauty's the Cookies Fox set, and this lashes is very light. The 16-in-1 mink set is very light. This is it. Van Beauty is over here, and I'm so confused. I don't know which one to use. I really don't know, but my mom is telling me to do this, like this set. I don't know, so I think I'll just go to the shop to put this. Yeah, see you guys. So we're going for this. I pray I don't take out these lashes, because if you take it out, don't threaten me that if I take it out I'll give her money. I have money, I can afford it. Let me see how my nails are. This is the blue I'm using. Loving it. One eye down. This eye looks so naked. It's not too long, not too full. I look so pretty. Why have I not been fixing lashes since? And it's super light, you guys, and I love it so much. This is for my sister, and if she's watching this video, I'm sure she's going to shout like, why am I putting on her clothes? But why did you leave it at home? So anyways, this is what it's looking like. My hair is done, my nails done, lashes done. What else? Nothing else. I painted my toenails already. I'm not showing you guys. I'll show you guys later. Why is my phone so heavy? I don't understand. But anyways, I look so pretty, and this is a maintenance vlog, as you can tell from the title, and I already said it from the beginning of this video. So you guys, I think I'll be closing this vlog later today or tomorrow morning, so I need to eat. I'm really hungry, so I'll see you guys later. Like these nails, my hands will be like this every time because everybody must see it, and I'll see you guys later.